What's up, YouTube? We back with another one. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, I'm giving you an update on the post that I post about sell in May and go away. So watch for the rug pull. Look at the post that I just posted. I believe it was the beginning of May, and I was warning you guys that we have a rug pull coming. So I want y'all to go back and check that short that I was trying to warn you about. It was a rug pull that we had. Okay, so this is just an update on what I'm telling you about the market and how they play. Also, this morning I posted a post about CPI and PPI. Okay, CPI was released today and PPI will be released tomorrow. Okay, and CPI, Consumers Price Index, is the catalyst that drove the market down today. All right, it's the catalyst that drove the market down, and I wanted to give you a heads up on that. So PPI is coming in tomorrow, so I want you to be aware that we still have some downside to go before upturn. Now look at the markets. Look what they did. They tanked. They tanked just as I expected it to. Look at all the markets and what they did. They tanked. Okay? Look what I'm showing you. Look at that. Look what I just told you. Look what I just told you. So for you got some guys that been in the game a long time. So me comparing myself to them is nothing, because I'm still new compared to them. You know what I'm saying? So I want y'all to be aware that I've been trading long enough to know what it's doing. I've been trading long enough to know what the market's gonna do. Look at Micron. It was down, I think, 70 points. Look at Micron. Okay? And this the play that I missed out on, Netflix. I was trying to tell you it was about to pop. I was trying to tell everyone, if you go back and you look at my watch list, it said Tesla, Macron, Netflix, and Nvidia. That's what I was trying to tell you. Those was the four I was watching. Okay? Those was the four stocks that I was watching. And if you go back and you look, where I say the stocks that I was watching for Tuesday, I missed out on it because I had to run an errand today. But I'm gonna tell you like this: Netflix still have a lot of potential to the upside. I was telling you that in about 2-3 videos back. Netflix still have a lot of upside potential. So I want you to be mindful of that, and don't let the rug pull demoralize you, because it's only gonna go up. And like they say, if you don't sell, you don't lose. We speak in shares now. If you don't sell, you don't lose. But the options is another thing. So if you play options to the downside, you up tremendously. But if you play option to the upside, then you down tremendously. So I always know that cut your losses short. Cut your losses short. That's something I had to learn. So I just want to give you guys an update on what was going on, you know, and it's more to come tomorrow, so be mindful. And this is the post that I post right here. So if you want to go back and watch that short that I post, you could. But I want you to know that PPI is coming tomorrow, so we're going to have some more downside. We're going to have more downside, but after PPI and CPI, we're going to get a push up, okay? But remind you, it's still May. We still in May, so don't be surprised if we keep going down. And if this video gave you any insight that you can benefit from, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and click notification so that you can be notified every time I make a new video. And please help this video get at least 10 likes. Until next time, take care.